The quantum transition has already begun. Nation-state actors are harvesting encrypted data today, storing it for the moment quantum computers can decrypt it. Security agencies call this harvest now, decrypt later. And for organizations with long-lived data, the risk window is already open. Most organizations believe they understand their software supply chain. They have an SBOM. They know their dependencies. But an SBOM cannot see the cryptography inside those components. It cannot tell you which libraries use RSA, which services rely on legacy TLS, or where vulnerable algorithms are buried in your code. This is the crypto visibility gap. Introducing ZCBOM from Cerberus, the cryptographic bill of materials, a major evolution beyond ZSBOM. ZCBOM generates a machine-readable inventory of your cryptographic posture, algorithms, key lengths, certificates, protocols, dependencies across your code and your supply chain. For the first time, engineering teams can see exactly where quantum vulnerable cryptography lives. ZCBOM is built for developers, fast, integrated, and actionable. On May 1st, ZCBOM launches as a VS Code extension. Developers can scan repositories in minutes, not months. Discover cryptographic risks directly in the editor, no consulting engagements, no 6-month discovery projects. Just cryptographic visibility where code is written. Upgrade to post-quantum security with a single click. In June, ZCBOM expands into your GitHub and GitLab pipelines, automatically generating a cryptographic bill of materials for every build, with build gates and automated remediation guidance to accelerate your migration to post-quantum cryptography. This is the next evolution. A complete quantum safety analysis dashboard, providing a cryptographic dependency graph and real-time risk horizon. The shift to post-quantum cryptography will take a decade, but the discovery phase begins now because you cannot migrate what you cannot see. ZCBOM, illuminate your cryptographic shadows.